Hello again, Wise Owls. I just wanted to share a quick demonstration again of what we could use as we subtract 3-digit numbers and also as we add 3-digit numbers. Because oftentimes you will have to add 10 over a century, which gets a little bit tricky because that means that your tens become hundreds or a group of 100 sometimes. So I'm going to attempt to use the camera whiteboard to show you what I mean. All right, so let's pretend like we have this problem, 293. Well, 293 plus 30. All right, I'm going to start first with using the strategy of drawing hundreds, tens, and ones. It's always helpful to draw it out like a chart so you don't get confused about what goes where. I like to use H, T, and O for hundreds, tens, and ones, drawing lines in between. And then remember, it's great if we can put our first add-in on the top and our second add-in on the bottom. We'll get to that in a minute. But right now, let's add our first, or put our first number into our chart, which means we're going to start with 100 flat, okay? And actually, we have 200, so we're going to make that 2 hundreds in that place. We have 9 in the tens place, which has a value of 90, but we are going to only draw those 9 10 sticks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Man, this was trickier than it looks. And 9. It's all right, it's a little crooked. Okay. Then 3 ones. I'm going to use text for that because it's easier. Add my little X's right here for the 3 ones. X, maybe X, X, and X. All right, I've got 3 ones, 9 tens, and 2 hundreds, which has a value of 290 and 3. Next step is to add what? 30, good. 3 tens is 30. I'm going to change colors here so that we can see our work. We've got 3 tens, which is going to go in which place? The tens place, yeah. So let's add those 1, 2, and 3 tens. Okay, now I've set up my problem with my picture so I can easily see what to do next. All right, the regrouping is going to happen from right to left, so from ones to tens. Okay, I see that there's no regrouping that needs to happen with the ones because there are only 3 of them. I'm not adding any ones either. I look at the tens place. If I have more than 10, I'm going to need to regroup. So let's see. I know that I had 9 tens to start and 3 tens on the bottom. So yes, I'm going to have more than 10 because 9 plus 1 equals 10. I should have 2 left over. I'm going to draw a line, or a circle rather, a curvy line around my group of 10. 9 plus the 1 more from the 30 equals 10. Where are these going to go? We got to make 100. So these 9 tens, I'm going to slash through. It's not that they're disappearing, but they are moving. We're going to scooch them right over here to the hundreds place because those 10 tens, remember, equal 100. I have just made a new hundreds flat with those 10 sticks. Now I can count up to see my total. I should have 100, 200, 300, which I believe I can add to the answer here, 300. I have Not going to count those at the top, right? Because those are the ones I use to make 100. I also use this one at the bottom to make 100. So I only have 1 10, 2 10s left, just 20. And then I have my 3 1s still. So my total answer should be 323. Let's count up and see. 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 321, 322, 323. And that, my friends, is a great way to visualize how to add 10 over a century. I can post another strategy soon.